Welcome to the channel, everybody. Here in Cape Coral, a functioning AC unit is more than a luxury. It's practically a matter of survival. Things can go wrong, and that's why today, we're breaking down the costs of AC repair in Cape Coral, Florida. Whether you're dealing with a minor hiccup or a major meltdown, we'll give you the lowdown on what to expect. We're talking real-world scenarios because nobody wants to be stuck in the Florida heat with a broken AC and an empty wallet. So, grab yourself a glass of iced tea, crank up the fan, and let's dive into the nitty-gritty of AC repair costs. Alright, let's start with the good news. Sometimes your AC just needs a little tune-up, a bit of TLC. We're talking about those minor repairs that won't break the bank, usually between $150 and $300. These minor repairs are like routine maintenance, nipping those little problems in the bud before they turn into major headaches. One common culprit is a clogged drain line. All that condensation needs somewhere to go, but if the drain line gets clogged, you're looking at a watery mess. Luckily, a good flushing out usually does the trick. Then there's the trusty thermostat. Replacing a thermostat is a relatively quick and painless fix. Addressing these minor issues early on can save you a whole heap of trouble and money down the road. Now, sometimes those AC troubles run a little deeper. We're talking about the moderate repairs, the ones that require a bit more elbow grease and maybe some specialized parts. These fixes typically land somewhere between $300 and $600. One common culprit in this category is a refrigerant leak. Refrigerant is the lifeblood of your AC system, the stuff that actually cools the air. Finding and repairing these leaks takes time and specialized equipment, which adds to the cost. Then there's the capacitor, which can wear out and need replacing. Your AC's condenser coil sits outside, braving the elements day in and day out. All that gunk can build up and reduce your AC's efficiency. A good cleaning can work wonders, but it's a messy job best left to the pros. Finally, we have the fan motor. Replacing a fan motor is a more involved repair but often more cost-effective than replacing the entire unit. Ignoring these moderate problems will only make them worse and more expensive down the line. Okay folks, now we're getting into the heavy hitters, the kind of AC breakdowns that make you want to camp out in the backyard. We're talking major repairs, the ones that can set you back $1,000 or more. One of the most dreaded phrases in the AC world is compressor failure. Replacing a compressor is a major undertaking, and the cost of the part alone can make your eyes water. Electrical problems can be notoriously tricky to diagnose and repair. Sometimes investing in a new AC unit is actually the smarter move in the long run. A new AC unit might seem like a hefty expense up front, but it can save you money on energy bills and repairs down the road. Now, I know what you're thinking, is there anything that doesn't affect the cost of AC repair? Probably not. First off, let's talk about the obvious, the type of repair. A simple thermostat swap is going to be a lot cheaper than replacing your entire compressor. Then there's the age of your unit. An AC unit, like any piece of machinery, has a lifespan. Keeping an old unit running can be like keeping a rusty old boat afloat. You're constantly patching holes. Sometimes it's just more cost-effective to retire the old gal and start fresh. Now, let's talk about labor costs. AC repair takes skill, experience, and a whole lot of patience. A cheap repair from an unqualified hack might seem like a good deal at first, but it could end up costing you more in the long run. And then of course, there's the cost of parts. The price of AC parts has been going up. Finally, let's not forget about emergency services. Emergency AC repair services often come with a premium charge. Look, I'm all for saving money in DIY projects, but when it comes to your AC, sometimes you gotta know when to call in the professionals. Ignoring the warning signs is like ignoring a ticking time bomb. It's only a matter of time before things go boom. One of the most obvious signs is weak airflow. If your AC is running but the air coming out of the vents feels more like a gentle breeze, something ain't right. Another telltale sign is strange noises. If you start hearing grinding, squealing, or thumping sounds, it's time to investigate. Inconsistent cooling is another red flag. If some rooms in your house are freezing while others feel like a sauna, your AC system ain't doing its job properly. And keep an eye on those energy bills. If your energy consumption suddenly spikes, your AC could be the culprit. Addressing these problems early on is always cheaper than waiting until your AC gives up completely. Well folks, there you have it. We've covered the ins and outs of AC repair costs in Cape Coral, from minor tune-ups to major meltdowns. Remember, taking care of your AC system is an investment in your comfort and your wallet. By addressing small problems early on and staying on top of routine maintenance, you can avoid those major repair bills. And if you're ever in doubt, don't hesitate to call a qualified AC technician. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. For expert AC repair services in Cape Coral, Florida, contact West Coast Cooling today. Stay cool.